Naalala ko nung punta kami ng Patagonia, meron din hilot nila, pero lubog yung hilot nila. Pato, yan. Ganito din yung hilot nila.
The island. So things are not easy to reload everything if they want. Alright. The main way to transport the two sides, the land and the island, we are still working the ferry station. We're still working the ferry station. The local people just pay for them the 10,000 for the vice versa. Okay. That's why they set the time right here. Okay, now we'll take the photo in front of the boat.
Ang tawag nila Mekong River. Ayan siya. Patikan. Puntahan niyo rin to guys kahit pupunta kayo ng Vietnam. Sulitin niyo na. Kaso yung pupunta kasi namin dito ngayon, medyo pangit lang yung weather.